5 types of virus cause hepatitis among other reasons. Viral hepatitis B and C are among the leading causes of serious ailments and death from liver cirrhosis and cancer. Globally, 3,000 plus people die from them every day. Around 90% of the people living with viral hepatitis don't even know they are infected.
His liver is badly damaged due to hepatitis virus. He's critical.
What is hepatitis virus, doctor?
Well, it's a very dangerous virus. It causes cirrhosis and even liver cancer.
Is there no cure?
It is treatable if detected on time. His disease is advanced. He will need a liver transplant.
But the doctor in our place did not say anything about hepatitis virus.
Unfortunately, hepatitis detection and treatment are limited to big city hospitals. We need these services everywhere to save lives.
Death and diseases from hepatitis B and C are preventable with existing methods of prevention, timely detection and treatment.
Mummy, she's so cute and so small.
Good morning. Feeling okay today?
Yes, doctor. Thank you.
Mummy, is this injection for you?
No, my love. It's for your baby sister.
What? But she's so small. It will hurt her, no?
Yes, dear. It will hurt her, but only for a little while.
Then why would you give it to her?
So that hepatitis B doesn't hurt your baby sister's liver.
Hepatitis? What is that?
Hepatitis B. It can be very bad for health. You know, people can become very sick, even die.
Oh no, is that so?
Yes, my boy. But once we give this injection to your baby sister, she will be healthy and her liver protected from hepatitis B virus.
Does every baby get it?
No, my boy. But every baby, everywhere, should get it. Test for hepatitis B when pregnant. If found positive, your doctor could advise certain measures including antiviral drugs where required, as hepatitis B gets passed on from mother to baby. WHO recommends that all infants receive their first dose of hepatitis B vaccine as soon as possible after birth, preferably within 24 hours, and that the birth dose be followed by 2 or 3 doses of hepatitis B vaccine at least 4 weeks apart. It is important that unnecessary injections in healthcare setting are avoided and sterile injections are used at all times. For people at risk of contracting hepatitis B and C, test them and treat if positive. Hepatitis C is curable with just 12 weeks of medication in most instances, and hepatitis B is manageable with antiviral drugs. If left untreated, hepatitis B and C can cause cirrhosis and liver cancer.
Globally, 354 million people are infected with the hepatitis virus.
Out of these, 20% die in Southeast Asia region alone. Detecting and treating viral hepatitis doesn't need specialist doctors, nurses, or very sophisticated or expensive infrastructure. Most clinicians can be trained to deliver services. Become an active member in your community to raise awareness about viral hepatitis, to stop the transmission of viral hepatitis. WHO's global strategy has a vision to eliminate viral hepatitis by 2030. To end this, WHO's Regional Office for Southeast Asia, in consultation with all member states, is coming up with a detailed regional action plan. So, on this World Hepatitis Day, let's work towards a hepatitis-free world.
Let's work towards bringing hepatitis services closer to people. 5 key strategies.